Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create lists in Evernote. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. Next one is how can you create an account on Evernote? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type evernote.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account or to log in using an existing account, whichever one you choose. Once you log in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to create lists in Evernote. So from your homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen and you're going to see a couple features: home, shortcuts, notes, down to trash. Go ahead and click on notes to open the notes that you want to create a list in. If you want to create a new note, you can head over here and click on new notes button. All right, but then I want to put the list in an existing note. All right, so I'm just going to use this note that I'm working on, and I'm just going to use the enter button and head over here to where you have where the desktop corner of your screen where you have all of these features, and head over to more. Click on more and you're going to find a couple options. So because we want to create a list and the list is not specified, we have three different kind of lists that you can create. We have the bulleted list, we have numbered list, and we have a checklist. So we can start with the bulleted list, right? So let's say the first list we want to create right here is, this is my journey. So I'm going to write trip to the world. So that's list number one. So I'm just going to backspace this, enter again, head over to more and click on numbered lists. So let's say you're writing something and you want to create a list using numbers. So this could be the same thing. So I'm just going to repeat this, trip to the world, and just click enter and you can now do the others. Enter and backspace, enter again, head over to more and click on checklists. So there's a checklist now. So I can just repeat the same thing. A trip to the world and my walk we got. Okay, so that's pretty much it. These are the three ways that you can literally create a list, all right, in Evernote using any of these three list options or this list features. All right, so you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.